Let's learn how to enable easy mute option. It means when we receiving an incoming call or when ringing alarms, we can set our phone face to down like this. After our incoming calls and alarm sounds going to mute automatically. This is very good feature to do our works easily. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to advanced features option. Click on this motions and gestures option. In here, you can enable this turn over to mute option. Mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face to down. If you like this feature, you can enable it and you can do your works easily.